Kaspa, boy oh boy, did we have a move. Excuse me. We got, it looks like a bigger move coming out of this thing, all right? You guys that have the membership out there, I'm going to teach you guys real soon how to trade these ABCs, all right? You talk about easy money, all right? This thing right here is A, B, C down here, all right? And I just got in a short right up here. Looks like it's probably going to pull back down here to around probably 11.8. All right at this 702 I got in a short. You know, if it goes against me, my stop loss is just right above this. But anyway, let's get into this chart, guys, and got some big moves happening here with Caspa. All right, we can see here it broke through that resistance area here. All right, so it looks to me like we might be going for the bigger move here. All right, you can see this resistance line up top here. Now see, that doesn't fit anywhere else but right there. All right, we're right on a breakout, right where we broke right through it. So we're going to get back to this chart in a second here. I'm going to show you guys what's going on here. First off though, we got to take a look at Bitcoin, guys. This thing has been making a move here. All right, it's up $1,000 today, approaching that 702 fib level. All right, that 45,000 was right at the 618. Looks like we might be coming up to the 702 here at about 45,895. Let's see here, see if I get this as close as I can. Yeah, 45.8. All right, that it looks like maybe the 702 might be a rejection area here. We're going to keep a close eye on this. If it blows through that 702, obviously it's going higher, but I just don't see that. I really don't. All right, if we look at the RSIs, we got the 4-hour tapped out. It's at a 98.2 and a 98.8. It just flipped bearish. We got the 8-hour 98.5 and a 94.8. Looks like it wants to roll over though. Got the 12-hour at a 100 and an 83. All right, no bearish divergence down there. The daily 97 and an 89. And then of course, look at this though. But that weekly 18 and a 20, and it ticked back up here. All right, that's what's very interesting here. But the monthly at a 100 and a 100. All right, so maybe we'll have a rejection at the 702 here and a pullback. I don't know. It's crazy. No bearish divergence down here. Let's see here, the 4-hour. Nope, we got a higher high. Yeah, kind of curious to see what happens here with Bitcoin. All right, this is going to be the big, you know, obviously the big talk for everybody here. So keep a close eye on 45.8. We'll see what happens there. It looks like we're probably going to hit it. That might end up being, let's see here. If this is a wave 1 and 2 in here. All right, let's check this out a second. Yeah, look at that. That goes to 46.1. We'll see what happens. You know, this could be a wave 4 pullback happening now. You know, just going to have to keep a close eye on it. We'll see. All right, let's move on here. Over on the Block Explorer, I want to check this out because I want to see 170 petahash, 1.4 transactions, 1.4 blocks. I want to see if the people have been piling on here or not. Let's check this out. I'll bet you the last 24 hours the addresses have gone up significantly. Yeah, the last 1 hour we've added 2 sharks. Last 24 hours 10 sharks. We've added 1 whale the last 7 days, but the last 24 hours 16 dolphins, 85 fish. That's 10,000 to 100,000. And the crabs down there, but the crabs down there. The last 30 days, we've added 7 whales, 39 sharks, and 537 dolphins. That's 100,000 to 1 million. That's a pretty decent wallet. All right, let's head over to the crypto. Let's look at the. I'm curious what look at the open interest, 41.6 billion. plus 4.44%. 24-hour liquidations, 124.1 million. That's up 64% from yesterday. Look at the volume, up to 102.9 billion. That's plus 35% from yesterday. The crypto bubbles, look at BitTorrent. Wow, that's an old coin right there. Wow, good to see it move there. It's up 30% for the day. I didn't even know it was still in the top 100. Blockstack's up 16.7. That's good to see. Beam making a little bit of a move here. Everything is moving. That's what I said the other day when I did a video. Expect everything to take off. When Bitcoin goes, expect everything to go. Let's see down here. This is just really baffling here, you know. Pullback would have actually been down here. We'll see what happens here. I am very intrigued by this whole thing, you know. Like I said, if this is a wave 1, 2 here, and we're working on a 3, 4th wave pullback, a 5th wave up here to that 702, it's going to be very, very interesting, guys. Let's look at Caspa here real quick. All right, the Dow Jones up 6 points, no major moves. The Dixie's actually moving up 104.16. Let's look at Caspa, because this is the talk here. Yeah, here we go. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, this thing made a major move. You know, we talked about this yesterday. I gave a price target yesterday here. This was the 1, 2, and the pullback, and it ended up blowing through there. 12.3, 12.4. We were talking about here. Well, it ran up so far almost to 13 cents. All right, so very nice move from Caspa here. Now let's take a look at a few things here. Let's get this off here, because this thing could be making a lot bigger move. All right, if this is a 1, 2, and this is the 3rd wave we're working on, this could turn out to be an explosive move, guys. And we have a lot of things in our favor here as far as the RSIs. This would move us up to about 15.7. All right, that would set us a new all-time high. Just barely, but it would. All right. Now let's look at the RSIs on this thing. All right, the 4-hour. Bearish, coming down a little bit. All right, expect a 4th wave pullback probably here. The 8-hour 94.98, it's bearish. The 12-hour 100 and a 100. The daily still heading up at 98 and an 80. Look at this one though. The weekly, a 9 and a 5. All right, so the weekly has just turned up. Expect a big move out of this thing. Look at this on the daily. It has just this thing has made huge moves before. It's breaking out of this top resistance, which is a big deal here. All right, if we go on this whole move, all right, right up the 618, 702, this is the area we're going to have to pay attention to. Because if Bitcoin does get rejected, all right, then we're not going to have as deep a pullback as I thought. But say Bitcoin gets rejected when Caspa gets up here, all right, of course Bitcoin could go sideways for a week, and this 5 waves could it's all going to tell right here. If we blow through this 702 at 13.6, then we're going to complete this 5 wave up. It's going to be 5 waves up. Bitcoin gets rejected, everything falls. You know, yeah, this thing could actually, wow, 7.5 if we get if Bitcoin gets rejected at that 702 and starts rolling over. But I think Caspa is going to complete this 5 waves. I really do. All right, and the measured move for that, once again, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'm going to teach the members how to do these ABC trades. Guys, I love the ABC. It's a great trade to get into. I love it. They're easy. And I try to get at least one a day. All right, move this up here. Our pullback is either right there at 16.8 or right there at 16.6. All right, you can see that wick if I zoom in here. See that wick right here? All right, it's that one or this one. All right, so 16.8 or 16.6 is the projected move of this thing. All right, and that would give us Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that so much. We have nailed these Caspa moves. You know, we really have. You know, if this... Boy, I'd like to see this go a little bit higher. Hold on. I'd like to see this 3 wave get up here, and then a 4th wave to retest that as support, and then that 5th wave up here. Alright, you can see we're kind of falling back through it a little bit right now, but like I said, that area that we have to pay real close attention to, right up around 13.6, that's that 702 fib level. We are getting, have we hit the 618 yet? Almost. Alright, and if you go back a few videos, guys, you know, I talked about this, you know, this 13.1 and 13.6. You usually always get a retracement back up here, at least. Alright, so if it blows through that 13.6, we're going to 16 cents, okay? But that weekly is lined right up for us, alright? Might have a small pullback here. The thing that blew me away was this move right here, alright? 1, 2, you know, right there. 12.5. Really expected it to come up here. 12.5 and get rejected off there. But it's so far, you know, it's hit 12.9 and looks like the bigger move could be happening. Now don't get me wrong here. We get rejected here. That 12.5, you know, it just overextended a little bit. But if we blow up through here and blow through that 702 at 13.6, then this bigger move, the 16 cent, is coming in. Alright, that would be, like I said here, either, let me get this right. Alright, 15.8 or 16 cents, right around there. Let's measure that one more time. Bottom to the top, to the retracement. Alright, we either have 15.7 or 15.5. Anyway, 16 cents is the target area. Alright, or no, I'm sorry, up here it is. Geez, 16.6 or 16.7. I apologize about that. That's all I can see on the screen there. So either 16.6 or 16.7 if we get through this 702 at 13.6. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll be back with you soon. An exciting day. We got a bull run coming up. Please, if you haven't yet, please sign up for a membership. Level 3, $14.99. Get you access to all the trading videos, 8 hours of videos. Have a great day, everybody.